American Idol personality Syesha Mercado and partner Tyron Deener have regained custody of their 16-month-old son Amenraw, as they will deal with 6 months of supervision from officials. Mercado, 35, captioned an Instagram post, "Amenraw is officially home." Child Protective Services put the boy into foster care in February. Amenraw was hospitalized in St. Petersburg, Florida. Child would not accept fluids after his mother's breast milk ran dry. The couple in August had daughter As taken from them for 10 days. Mercado appeared on season 7 of American Idol in 2008. She ended up coming in third behind David Archuleta and winner David Cook. Former American Idol personality Syesha Mercado says she and her partner Tyron Deener have regained custody of their 16-month-old son Amenraw following an extended 6-month battle. Mercado, 35, captioned an Instagram post Friday, "Amenraw is officially home," along with a clip of the couple driving home with Amenraw in a car seat. Mercado in the clip sang to her son, as the couple opened up about the details of the case, which began in February after Child Protective Services put the child into foster care after he was hospitalized at St. Petersburg, Florida's Johns Hopkins All-Children's Hospital. The couple's newborn daughter was also removed from their custody for 10 days in August. Deener said, "He's back, he's with us, but we got to deal with 6 months of supervision to show that we're competent and able to raise our own baby." He added, "Every person that has been involved in this process, in keeping our son away from us, all those individuals will be held accountable." The child looked overjoyed as he reunited with his parents while in a car seat. The couple in August had their newborn daughter Ast had been returned to them. Deener made the announcement in a video posted to Mercado's page, in which he also shared that Amenraw was still in foster care at the time. Tyron thanked the public for their support as he filmed himself in the car as his newborn daughter snoozed beside him. A GoFundMe for Syesha and Tyron's legal battles with Child Protective Services has raised more than $430,000. "We still got work to do to get Ra back," said Tyron in the Instagram video where he asserted that he and Syesha had the best attorneys in the country. He added, "We have our baby back, our newborn, and we just gonna focus on getting those moments, these couple days, this week that we've been without her, focus on getting that time back." Whilst he remained in the backseat next to his sleeping daughter, Syesha could be glimpsed at the wheel smiling with relief. The pair opened up about her battle to regain custody of their children in a news conference in August. Amenraw was taken from his parents' custody on March 11 and Ast was brought in by Child Protective Services in August. In a press conference held in August, both Mercado and Deener said officials had no reason to remove the kids from them, as they have no current or past issues with the law or social services agencies that would make sense of the treatment they've received over the course of events. "If this can happen to us, it can happen to you," Deener said. "We have no criminal background. We have no history with DCF. We have done nothing wrong." Mercado said in the clip, "I went somewhere to get assistance. My baby was supposed to come home with me. We should have never been criminalized for getting assistance for something." In the clip, Mercado said she was just missing out on so many precious moments and such a precious time in seeing the children grow up. "I am a first-time mom and I've been deprived of holding my babies and feeding my babies. I didn't get to see Ra say, 'Mama,' for the first time. I didn't get to see my babies meet for the first time. I didn't get to see that and I can't go back and redo that moment. I will never be able to go back and redo that moment." She continued, "I feel my daughter. I feel when she's hungry and when she's crying. And I can't do anything. She's not here with me. I've been deprived of that and I don't know how to articulate it. It hurts so bad." Deener added that their lives revolve around health, balance and doing what we can to guide our children, and that nothing that we do is detrimental to our babies. "If you are a parent, if you are a grandparent, aunt, uncle, cousin, just know that we have agencies in place that have the ability to remove children without you breaking the law or abusing your niece, nephew, son." The couple are now receiving the services of prominent civil rights lawyer Ben Crump, who has past represented the families of George Floyd and Breonna Taylor, in the efforts to get their kids back. Crump has criticized the Manatee County Sheriff's Office for publicly dehumanizing a black family with their actions. Mercado has also begun fundraising efforts with a GoFundMe page that had amassed more than $465,000 on a $200,000 goal. Officials said they were ordered by family court to take the newborn, TMZ reported in August, as sheriff's deputies told him they were taking custody after they failed to report that they had welcomed the child, as they continue their legal battle for their son. Amenror was removed from custody of Mercado and Deener, and put into foster care as the child would not accept fluids after his mother's breast milk ran dry. Authorities on February 26 took the child to St. Petersburg's Johns Hopkins All-Children's Hospital for a medical issue. Mercado's daughter remains in state protection following an August 12 court hearing, according to the Miami Herald Tribune. In the August 11 incident, which was captured on film by Deener, police took Ast into custody claiming concerns the child was malnourished, later taking the child to a nearby hospital for a checkup. "This is so wrong," Mercado said in the clip. "How could you guys do this? Do you not feel anything? My baby is days old and you're taking my baby away from me. You're taking my baby away from me. You have no heart." In the incident, they were presented with a court order to hand over their child for a checkup at a hospital, and posted it on Instagram, writing, "They took our baby again." Mercado and Deener were driving in Sarasota, Florida with their newborn daughter when authorities pulled them over and insisted that they surrender the then 10-day-old child. In the Instagram video, Deener can be seen sitting in the driver's seat, while Mercado was in the backseat with their baby. After being informed of the court order to hand over their child for the welfare checkup, the pair both pled their case to be the ones to take the daughter to the doctor. At one point, Mercado begged deputies not to take her newborn, explaining that she is being breastfed. After pumping breast milk into a bottle in the backseat of a vehicle into a bottle, Mercado could be seen in the clip slowly walking her daughter over to deputies, begging for them not to take her. "How could you do this? Do you not feel anything?" Mercado asked authorities with obvious raw emotion to her voice before she started to cry. She added, "You guys, I'm human. This is my baby. My baby is just days old and you're taking my baby away from me. You're taking my baby away from me. You have no hearts. This is so wrong," she said while sobbing as she held her daughter in her arms in a pink and white blanket. "You don't care. My baby is healthy and happy." During the video, sheriff's deputies explained that the newborn was being taken because the couple did not inform authorities that Mercado had given birth while she was still in the midst of her legal battle over custody of her son. In response, Deener argued that they had requested all questions about them go through their attorney, which he maintained did not happen. The couple also shared that the baby had just gone for a health checkup the previous day and they had all the paperwork to prove it. Which lasts for just over 1 hour, has prompted outrage from Mercado's supporters, who feel racism played a role in her case, along with other injustices. Mercado and her partner Tyron Deener are both black. The couple's legal battles over their children began in late February when they took their then 1-year-old son, Amenror, to Johns Hopkins All-Children's Hospital in St. Petersburg, Florida, to get him extra fluids, because he was struggling with the transition from breast milk to solid foods. But by the end of the hospital stay, the little boy was taken from the couple and put into the care of the Manatee Child Protective Services. Mercado has since said armed officers forcefully removed me from my son, after she was accused of abuse and neglect. "They ripped me away from my proudest creation in life, pure joy, my sunshine," the singer wrote in an Instagram post. In a statement to NBC News in August, the Manatee County Sheriff's Office revealed it had received information from the hospital's child abuse line that a boy was severely malnourished, which Mercado disputes. Amenror was forcefully and legally kidnapped from us by CPS, who claim we refused a B12 shot that was a matter of life and death, which is an absolute lie. "We never refused a B12 shot, and at no point was he on the verge of death," Mercado wrote on a GoFundMe page that she created to help pay for legal fees. Mercado insists her children are prime examples of racial discrimination in Manatee County, and that her son has since been placed with a white foster family without interviewing qualified relatives or friends for placement while authorities investigate. Mercado appeared on Season 7 of American Idol in 2008, and ended up coming in third behind runner-up David Archuleta and winner David Cook.